Finding plastic bag suppliers is easy, but unclear legal information, unknown real capabilities, fear of risks, fear of choosing the wrong supplier. One wrong choice can affect your entire supply chain. At Haplast, we believe transparency comes first. Proven factory scale and production capacity, clear and verified legal information, complete company profile, open for verification and cross-checking. Haplast doesn't just supply plastic bags. We deliver confidence in choosing the right supplier. Haplast, transparency for long-term partnership. Contact us now.